Hello class, today we're going to be learning about cells. What are cells? Cells are the basic building blocks of living things. A cell is the smallest unit of life. We'll be focusing on two different types of cells. We'll be able to explain the similarities and differences between the cells. We'll be able to describe the organelles within the cells. We'll be able to describe the functions of the organelles. The two types of cells we'll be focusing on today is the eukaryotic cells and the prokaryotic cells. The main difference is the membrane-bound organelles. The similarities between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells contains all four biomolecules: lipids, carbs, proteins, and nucleic acids. Have some ribosomes, have DNA, similar metabolism, can be unicellular, and have cell/plasma membranes or a cell wall. These are the two types of cells. As you could tell, you could read the organelles and you could see how they look like. And on this page, I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and fix that for you. Now, this one is going to actually have the organelles and their functions. Sorry about that. We could have the nucleus, the ribosomes, and then the next one, as we could see right here, endoplasmic reticulum. We could also call it ER for short. Mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi complex, large central vesicle, and liposomes. If you have any questions or anything, or you have any problems, just let me know. You can see me before class, during lunch, during your break, or after class, okay? You'll have a great one.